Hi children, welcome to today's class. I think you are ready for the class. If you are not ready for the class, you have to ready for the class, take your textbook and all the materials and watch this video 3 times and understand it. After that, open your textbook and read many times today's portion and underline important points, then do given works. Okay, like that you have to go, then only you can study. Okay, I think all are happy. So take care. We can go to our class.
Okay, children, our last class we were started fourth chapter geography maps. In that video, we were discussing about different types of maps and importance of maps and different types of maps and components of maps. And there are three components of map: distance, directions, and symbol. And in that, we detailedly discuss about distance. Today, I am going to explain about directions and symbols. Okay, direction. Most maps contain an arrow marked with the letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When you know the north, you can find out other directions. For example, east, west, and south. There are four major directions: north, south, east, and west. They are called cardinal points. Other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Find out the following directions from the figure: the directions of the community center, the playground from Vigas house. B. The direction of school from shops. Okay, children, there are four major directions: north, south, east, and west. They are called cardinal points. Okay, the north, south, east, and west are the cardinal points. Then other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, and southwest, northwest, and southwest. So all these directions, if you know, that means we can find out easily the places. So now you have to look at the figure 4.1 and find out these questions. Find out the following directions from the figure 4.1: the direction of the community center, the playground from Vigas house, then the direction of school from shops. We can find out the direction of place with the help of compass. It is an instrument used to find out main directions. Its magnetic needles always points towards north-south direction. Look at the figure 4.2. Symbols. It is a third important component of a map. It is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines, or a well. So, they are shown by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of these symbols, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Even if you don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask someone for directions, you can collect information from maps with the help of these symbols. Maps have a universal language that can be understood by all. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are called conventional symbols. Some of these conventional symbols are shown in the figure 4.3. Various colors are used for the same purpose. For example, generally blue is used for showing water bodies, brown for mountains, yellow for plateau, and green is used for plains. Sketch. A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell where a particular place is located with respect to other places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house, but you don't know the way your friend's house. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way to his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without scale and is called a sketch map. Plan. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of a room, which can't be shown in a map. At that time, we can refer drawing drawn to scale called a plan. Children, look at the figure 4.4 in your textbook and find out following questions answers. Okay, the example, in which direction is the river flowing? What kinds of road pass by the side of village Dumri? All these things you have to find out. Okay, children, let us wind up today's class. This chapter is over. In this chapter today you have to do two activities given in your textbook, that is you have to figure 4.1 and figure 4.4. There are some questions is given in there. You have to find out from that figure. You look at the figure and carefully and understand it and find out the following questions given in that figure downs. Okay, so that is, and this chapter is over. Do all the kinds of activities, read this chapter many times and underline important points. Okay, and after that do your works, and some works I will give in your assignments in Google Classroom, that also you have to do. Okay, thank you to all, take care. Okay, thank you.